So we got this really cool present from Just My Game Studios. So I'm here with my son and we're about to do an unboxing. It's already got like the coolest packaging going on here with all these cool stickers. So, ta-da! Open the box. Open the box! What's in the box? Oh, it's so cute inside too. And we got the bubble wraps. We got Just My Game keychain. Oh, it's cute. We've got a card. Let's see, what does it say? It's all handwritten. It says, I honor you into the tribe. Enjoy the loot. Ooh, thank you. Ooh. We've got a card here, personalized and everything. Authenticity card. Oh, that's cool. We've got authenticity validation. Okay. We got fun. It's a Yu-Gi-Oh card. It's really cool and shiny. That's super cool. And we got more stuff. More stickers and cards. Oh, everything you've received is designed and forged by my hand, including the loot box. Woo! Veteran owned business. That's cool. It is an honor. I'm enjoying all the glitteriness too. That little glittery bag, which includes a minifigure of, it's Berserk.
Guts.
Yes. A Berserk character. He's cool. He has a red glowing face. That is awesome. They're little 3D printed custom minifigs. So cool. And giant sword, cause giant sword. Okay, and what's the next one? Ooh, this is like epic loot right here. It is a Lego sword, but like the coolest Lego sword I have ever seen. Here, put it in my hand. So you just see like all the little details and colors and everything. That's so cool. What else do we have? We have another minifig, I think.
Chess piece.
So we've got chess piece. Like alternate for the Berserk guy. And this is Fallout character. Woo-hoo. It's awesome because I have a Lucy cosplay. There's another helmet. More armor bits. Lots of armor bits. And probably got like a whole nother dude there. Put on. And there's more armor bits. So you can kind of see in there. Got another sticker. Lots of stickers. Oh, this I did not open. Ooh, more swords. Always good to have more swords and a gun. And here's another helmet, I think. And lots of stickers. Oh my god. Nugget, he's so cute. There's like eyeballs. We're gonna like have Domo. Okay. There's so much. Yep, I know. He's got a sticker collection. So we will have lots to add to the sticker collection. Ooh. And I got my very own like custom token with my name on it. So that's cool. And this is all from Just My Game, which is a store on Etsy. Go check him out. And he's on Instagram too. But it's amazing. Thank you so much. This is like the best loot box I've ever gotten.